All right. So very good morning. I'm also recording this. Later I will share with you. Now let us move on to the data first. First of all, you guys open. Okay, you all open this one. Power BI. Make sure you guys have signed in here. Okay. If you guys have signed in and opened the Power BI, can you all thumbs up? All right. So I prefer to arrange my windows like this. All right. So once you guys open and sign in all these things, I have shared. Okay, I did share file here in your drive now. Normally, when we do that is store. Okay, the file name is store. I think. Yeah. Did you guys can open this one? Can you guys receive it? Can you guys open this? Not store. Sorry, not store. Not store. Not store. Sorry. I had to upload. Sorry. Is it store? Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. It's store. All right. It's store. It's the new one. Okay. So I want you to open Power BI now. Import data. Import data. Okay. Okay. Import wherever you download just now. Open. Okay. In the when you open this, you can see orders return users. So orders, just press order and press load. So if you press load there, it will appear here. Okay, it will appear here. You can see many files are here. All right. As I mentioned, the symbol with sum is quantitative. If you guys have load the file, can you guys type here like this done, so that I know 27 people are here? Can you guys, because before I move on, I just make sure everybody has loaded. Just press that done. So around 20 of you or 19 of you have typed here. The rest I'm not sure. Hope you guys can download the thing. Now let us start to do some. Let's start to do some graphic here. Some basic graphic I have done with you. Yeah. The earlier stage I have done. Um, Let us click line and cluster column here. When you click line and cluster column, it will appear like this. Put a product category under x-axis. Sum of sales. Sales. Put under y-axis. And then maybe because this is the x and y, x-axis and y-axis. This is your the bar chart. And the line y-axis, maybe we can put profit here, so that we know the sales, sum of sales and sum of profit. You can see there are two here. Okay, so column legend, you can play around. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, this column legend is, if you put any particular here, it will be very colorful here. For example, we already have sum of sales, sum of sales and sum of profit by product category. This title also you can change. Last class, the last visualization I teach you. Okay, go to the legend here. Go to the format your visual here, and then where is it? General, I guess. Yeah, title is here. So you can change the title here according to you want, whatever you want. Okay. If I want to put some legend here, maybe we can go by region. If I put region, what will happen? You see, if I go by region, I get this one. If I don't want region, maybe I can go by product name. If I put product name here, product name doesn't look nice, so we can, let us erase the product name. Ship mode looks nice. Okay, so that's how you arrange your graphic here. Okay, depends. Okay, state or province, put column legend state or province, doesn't look nice. Okay, it's too tiny. Okay, so I will go, what is this, product container, order priority. If I put order priority looks nice. Okay, so I just want to put order priority here. Okay, so let us put the first graph is like this. The first graph is line and clustered column chart. Okay, but then here later, if you want to do a dashboard, you can change, you can go to the format here and you can do play around here, all this thing. Okay, you press and then only you can get the thing. So you press and then you can go general and visual. Okay, anything you want to do here. But here for of course next Friday I'm going to see you again. I will polish little bit on whatever we have done. This one you have to save later. And if I go here, press this one. Okay, first of all you have to highlight this and then go to format, go to general and go to effect. In the effect you can see visual border here. Okay, visual border, you on the visual border you will get a nice border here. Okay, this is, if you put this, it looks nice in your dashboard because it shows different report, different graphical visualization for different data. So I'm going to put this visual report border thing for each and every graph I'm going to do today. Okay, so let us make this small and then we put it like this. Okay, leave it like this. All okay, can do. Can you guys thumbs up? Have you done this thing? All right, good. Let us do more. What else? Show the part of build visual. Which one? I mean the graph. You mean? Can you talk? Which part? Can you open the mic and speak?
Doctor, at the part with visual, there exists x-axis, column y-axis, and line y.
Oh, yang tu. Okay, okay.
Yeah, I want to see it.
Yang ni ya.
Yes, Doctor. Yeah, that one. All right, thank you.
All right. Next also I'm going to do some comparison, but let us see. Comparison here. If I ribbon chart, it is not comparison. I'm going to use again the this one. Maybe we can do again this one. Same thing, another one, another thing. Maybe this time we can go customer segment. X-axis you put customer segment. The one I'm doing now is to compare two things. Compare two things. One is sum of sales. Okay, here profit is net profit. Another one is you should have this is sum of sales. Another one, the line is sum of profit. You can see that. Okay, for different product here. The same thing here, customer segment. In the customer segment here, you put y-axis as profit. Oh, sorry, my mic is on. Off just now, so thank you. This graph is not nice. Go back, erase the customer segment, go by order date. Go by order date here. Order date and sales profit. Okay, you should have like this now. Same thing, still line and cluster column. I just want to show you something. I've shown you this in the first visualization. Okay, line and cluster column, order date, and y is sum of profit here. If you notice here, this is only one line here, because last class I show you, because the order date, if you press report view here, why is not coming out? Not report view, table view here. If you notice the order date, where is order date? You can see all the year is 1 year, 2015. Okay, all the year is 2015. That's why it's only one bar here, 2015. So I think last class I teach you, if I don't want the year, I can click the year here. So now it becomes a quarter. So basically we have 2 quarter. This is also not nice. So if you go monthly, this looks nice. This looks nice, monthly. And what if you go by day? Day also looks nice. You can see the profit goes like this. Okay, I think we can put it by day. Let it be like this. More analysis can be done. Okay, just leave it like this. If the bar goes down, which means you are lost. Okay, the upper one is profit, the down one is loss. And then this is only the bars, day and profit. So how about the line? For the line, you can put for the line you try to put sales here. I'm just trying to put like this. And column legend, just now maybe we can put by, try to put by region. It's getting much smaller. I'm going to go back by month, undo here. If I go by month, then go by sales here. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave it like this, much better. Go by undo. Later, previously you can undo, go by month, and then column legend, just now we put by priority, I think, order priority. This time we try to put a region, column legend. Okay, it looks nice. Okay, we can put it like this. You can see sales are here, and the sum of profit is here, month are here. It gives nice graphical representation. And you can put now, I prefer to put the borders, né? So you put the border, general, effect, visual border. So you make it small, and you see if I bring near, it will click like a magnet here. So you can arrange nicely. So you can see when you have a border, it's nice to see. Okay, I just leave it like this. First, I give you some time for you guys have a look. All done. Anybody can thumbs up? Anything? Okay, good. So all of you get these. Let us move on. So next one. See, when I press the ribbon chart, the graph changes. Why? Because just now I highlighted, undo, press outside, and then press ribbon chart. So I'm going to do a ribbon chart now. For ribbon chart, maybe we go for shipping costs. shipping cost for y-axis, and x-axis shipping cost for y-axis. X-axis we can go for state or province. And for legend we can put product name. Let's say product name. Okay. So what happened here, you can see you can see product name, isn't it? Of course it looks smaller. Any other, it looks smaller, but let me hold on, let me try the legend with another, maybe shipping cost province, product name. How about if I put region here? Is it going to be region? Not nice. Product name still okay. Where is product name? Product category, no. Product name I can explain much better. So if you notice here, what happened in the ribbon, just want to highlight here something. You see there's a kind of ribbon from California to New York. That means that California and New York have the same type of product. That's why it is linked like a ribbon here. You can see. So the one have a ribbon kind of shape from one state to another state. They have the same type of product. These are the product name here. If you don't have the ribbon, which means it doesn't have the same type of product. That's the idea. Okay, so that's the ribbon graph benefits. I mean, this is the one of the thing you can see in the ribbon graph. Okay. So once you have this, okay, I hope you guys understand. The ribbon is actually showing you the state is having same product. What is the product name? The product name is here 2180. If you hover, if you put hover, if you put your cursor on the ribbon, it shows you. Okay, it shows you the ribbon name, and this is also ribbon name 2104, and it also show how much it's increase or decrease, something like that. Okay, yeah, all right, that's the thing. And after this, what we can do, we highlight this one, go to the format, general, effect, visual border. Okay, you can move around here. Okay, something like this. So I'm going to leave the thing like this. Okay. This is the third one. Okay, done. All right. Any problem, let me know so far. Anything, let me know. So this we have done 3. Yeah? We have done 3, and we are moving to fourth one. I would like to go for the stack chart area here. Stack area chart. For the stack area chart, You can put x-axis, you put order date. Okay, order date. Of course, you cannot see anything here because you didn't put any y-axis there. You put sales, for example, sales. If you put a, you get one dot there. See? Try to put legend now. Legend, maybe you put product category. All are one dot. You guys know why one dot? Because the year is 1 year only, isn't it? So we remove the year. We have quarter. Remove the quarter. We go by month. This looks nice. Okay, this looks nice. So you can see by product. You can see how much the orange color is the technology product. Okay, the one in between, the purple color is office supply and the blue color is furniture. You can see how much it has increased, decreased by month. Okay, this is the kind of thing you can see here. And you put effect visual border. Later we'll try to arrange everything nicely. Okay, I just dump first all these things here. Later we try to arrange nicely. So this is what you call, this is first one is line and clustered column. The second one also line and clustered column, but you can see the differences with both. Okay, and the third one is a ribbon chart, and the fourth one is stack area chart. Then we are moving for the fifth one now. If I'm going too fast, just stop me. The next one, of course, you click here outside. Don't click any one of them. I'll click outside the thing. All right. Next one, I will go for tree map. Okay, go for tree map. You see, guys, before I forget, if you press right click here, any graph, right click, if you press right click here, because later on in the assignment I will ask you to write some explanation what you have done. So to help your explanation, to help to elaborate, okay, to explain what you have done, you right click and you can press summarize. If you press summarize here, I don't know how, I forgot, but if I go to Copilot, if I go to press this one, you see, if you press just now, let me redo again. This tree diagram, leave it here. If you press analyze, you see, if you press analyze, it will give you some explanation like this. You see, all this one, and down here there's another explanation, and down here there's another explanation. So there are a lot of analysis going on here. Okay, and then if you press right click, if you press summarize, if you go use Copilot to create, you can, if you have Copilot, you can use this one. Otherwise, if you want to custom, just press custom. It will give you some what do you call, some analysis here. So this will help you to do your explanation when you do when you want to write explain the whole thing, the assignment. So some little bit will help you on these things. That's one thing. Now go to now this is what this is. If I press this, it shows here tree map. For tree map, maybe we go product subcategory. Product subcategory. Each subcategory we're going to analyze by the sales value. Sales. Put here the value here. Okay, so product subcategory and sales value. The higher the square, the bigger the square, the higher the sales value. Okay, you can see here. So that is this visualization help you to see the sum of sales for each subcategory. The higher the square, the bigger the square, the bigger the sales value. So as usual, I'm going to put a square here. I mean the border. Okay, leave it like this first. So we have done so far 5. Next, I would like to go through donut. Okay, donut. Of course, you can stack somewhere here if you want. Doesn't matter. Just you can press here. Later we arrange. Donut. For legend, state, put example state or provinces. Values, you can put sum of sales. I think last class I teach you how to put the number inside or outside, something like that. Hope you guys remember. You can see the numbers for the formatting. You can put here visual, legend, detail labels. So you can, this is where I ask you to put and depends. Okay, detail labels, these labels now they show you the value and the percentage. If you want this one, data value percent of total. If you want a data value only, it will show data value only. Okay, you can press here, you can under format your visual detail labels. Okay, so if you want percentage only it shows percentage. Category value data is it shows with the name here. Category percentage, data value percentage is the default one, and all means it will show all, which is quite messy here. So I'm going to put something like let's say I'm going to put still I think I prefer data and the value and percentage is nice. And last class I teach you how to play around with this. Outside mean outside, inside mean you force everything to be inside. You force it, okay? You want everything to be inside, which is not nice. Prefer outside means prefer outside means the Power BI will think for itself. Okay, you give option. Okay, which one is better? If it's outside better, it put outside. If inside better, it's put inside. Same thing goes here. Okay, prefer inside. So it's still quite messy. So I just put everything outside. Better to be like this. General, effect, and border. Yeah, just leave it like this. This is donut chart. Now I just want to ask you, next one I'm going to go for fill map. All of you have fill map? Ada fill map tak kat sini semua? All of you have fill map? Cuba cek fill map yang ini. Fill map. Ada tak yang ini? Kalau ada boleh tak thumbs up ke ataupun tulis dekat situ ada? Ada. Okay, good. Kalau tak ada bagi tahu saya lah. Semua ada. Okay, good. Alright, so for fill map, let us make this big. Fill map. Make sure all of you have, for fill map you need to have internet connection. Location, state or province. Sum of sales you put in the tooltips here. Legend, try to put product category. So not many people are buying here. Wait, if I change the legend to product name, okay, this looks nice. Okay, this looks nice. So you can see that in the fill map is a real life, what do you call a real time map from the Google thing. So you can see that which state buy which product here. Okay, if you press Montana, then it shows that if you press Montana just now, that was some purple color. What product name? Bush Advantage Collection, something like that. If you press, what is this? Colorado, the product name is Recycle Envelopes. So this one shows the real situation. I mean real time mapping, this one. Okay. So my thing is location is state or province, legend is product name, tool tips put sum of sales. So I'm just going to put somewhere here. Later I'm going to arrange nicely. Now I'm moving to shape map. How many of you have a shape map? Can you guys, you have any problem with the shape map? Do you guys have shape map? Anybody don't have? Let me know. If you have shape map, there's another map, but two map. One is fill map, one is shape map. Let me know. Ada? Okay, semua ada? Semua ada shape map? Alright. Kalau semua ada, okay lah. So last time in my class there are some problem. Some of them don't have shape map. Alright. Shape map is here. Shape map. So in the shape map, let us try to put location, state or province also. Okay, shape map is not real thing. I mean for fill map it will show you the kind of from map, Google map. Okay, real time. This one shape map is something like drawing, sketching. Color saturation is sum of sales. And then legend you can put like that's not what we put product name, isn't it? Try to put product name here. You will get something like this. Okay, so depends on, for your graphical thing you want to choose shape map. Shape map is like just a sketch. Fill map is a real-time Google map, something Google map kind of things. Okay, I forgot to put the border here. Put the border. This one also put the border. So all of the thing must have border, so that later when we arrange it looks nice. Now go for, press outside. Let us go to slicer. Put slicer here. Here slicer. In the slicer here, you put state or province in the slicer here you put customer segment. The field you put customer segment here. You put customer segment. Of course, if you put customer segment here, the whole thing will generate by 4 customer: consumer, corporate, home, small business. If you press here consumer, the whole graph will show you only consumer. If you press here corporate, it show you corporate, home office like this, and small business like this. Okay, that's the thing. But actually we can change the what do you call, we can change the layout of this slicer. So I'm going to put like a button here. So if I want to better presentation, go to visual, slicer setting. Slicer setting, go to style, you put tiles here. Vertical is not tiles. We can change the color of the tiles here by going slicer header here. Okay, go to slicer header, we can change easily what color you want. So background, if you want, that is a title. I'm trying to change the color. I forgot where is the thing. Yeah. Under values, under values, go for background. Maybe we can put some nice color here. Okay, I just want to put it like okay, like this color, and then the font. If I make it bold, it becomes bold. Little bit bigger. Slices under values, the font doesn't change for some reason. So I just leave it like this first. Okay, just leave it like this first. It's like a button. It's like a button here. Okay. And now the color change, the font change. The font is too big. Just play around. The font is too big and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, just leave it like this. Let's see if I move around. Okay. I want to make it much smaller. Time should be nice, I guess. Okay, this is nice. So I'm going to leave it like this first. Okay, that is, if you press this one, okay, this is like a button. It becomes a button now. Okay. I'm going to use, now this one I'm going to click down. At the same time I'm going to arrange. Okay. Now I'm going to put a border first. Put a border. This one, okay, make sure it's like this. I want to make, sorry, I want to make the what do you call, let us make it more presentable. Wait, go to value here. This one I want to unbold. I want to make the font much smaller. Okay, now looks nice. Okay, I just want to leave it like this. You can arrange later, you can change the title, everything. You can just play around with the visual here. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to press this, copy, and I'm going to paste 2 times. Copy, paste 2 times. Use Ctrl C and Ctrl V 2 times. So when you put Ctrl C and Ctrl V 2 times, you will have all these 3 things. Okay, this is much better. I mean, it will, for you to present your visualization, this will help you a lot. Press the second one. We're going to change the field now. The second one. The second one, you go to product category, change and erase the customer segment. The first one is customer segment. Okay, in the field we put customer segment. The second one is you erase the customer segment, put product category, it will change everything automatically here. And I do want to use the same color, so maybe I can change the color now. Since we already go to background, I'm going to use some other color here, maybe this one. Let me put it this way, this color. Okay. The third one is maybe we go by press the customer segment, the third one. Okay, go back here, and then maybe we don't want this, but we put region now. Take out the customer segment, so region will give you like this, and I just want to change the color again. Okay, maybe I put this color. Okay, depends. You can do, this is your assignment. This is how you're going to do your assignment. So you make your dashboard more interactive and colorful. So I'm just going to leave like this. So one is customer segment, one is customer segment, one is product category, one is region. Okay. All of you can follow. Thumbs up if you can follow. Any problem, let me know. So far, okay. Hope all can follow. All right. So still have. Let us move on. Next one. Press outside. Press another slicer. Okay, press another slicer. This time you put in the field here, you put order date. Order date. Okay. So you see, just now you put customer segment, the slicer automatically comes with the the drop down thing, and then we change it to tiles like this. That is not numerical. Now if you put a numerical thing, the thing, you see the slicer comes out like this. Okay, it comes out like a sliding thing. Okay, so the thing, Power BI will identify which is the best for which data. Okay, I'm going to try to arrange now nicely. Can we give some color for this one? First of all, go for general, put a effect, put a visual border, and then go to visual. Let's see, can I put any color here? Values, background is what? Background, now no background color. So want to color the slicer. Take and leave it as a black anyway. Anyway, this one you can play around. This one visual background, it will make the whole thing, but I don't want to put more color. I leave it like this first. I'm going to arrange now. Okay, I'm going to arrange nicely before we go for final part. There's another one part. Let me try to arrange first. I want to see where is the spacing for me for the final one. So if I want to arrange like this, okay. You see, when you arrange it, try to make the dashboard much presentable. Because if you look at this one, if a customer segment, if I make it more small, you can see there's an arrow here, isn't it? I don't want this type of arrow here. So try to arrange, if possible, try to arrange like this so that you don't have any arrow. Just click, click, click here, everything comes up. And this one, you can arrange your as you wish, but you can also follow mine. Okay, trying to okay. Let's make it like this, and then under the region, this is just an example how to arrange. So I arrange like this. Okay, you can follow mine. My fill map here, there's some problem here. So this visual type is going to be retired. I don't know whether you guys have the same thing here. This doesn't look nice, the fill map, but I just leave it here anyway. Okay, if this thing's not the what do you call, the info is not here, I mean the thing will looks nice. Okay, I just leave it like this. And there's another part here. Okay, we can press, you see, if I press, another one is I'm going to press, where's the cut. Hmm. And you should have another one named cut. I don't know why I did. Oh, here I guess. Yeah, cut. This is cut. Searching for multi-row cuts. I don't know why I don't have multi-row cuts. Multi-row cuts. I only have this one. This one is not good. Wait. Just give me a moment. I don't know why it's missing them. Hmm. Something is missing there. But anyway, let me put this cut here. In the cut here, maybe we can put in the values, I put sum of sales. And I put sum of profit here. Yeah, so it appears here, sum of sales, sum of profit. Quantity order. sales, profit, quantity, order. Okay, so we can go for, try to arrange nicely visual. If I put vertical, it appears like this. Because we put 3, isn't it? So 3 rows. If I put table, it gives in table. Okay, leave it as a table. This time a little bit different. I don't know why. Because earlier I have multi-cut, multi-row cut. I don't know why these things appear here. Anyway, I'm going to leave it like this. I'm trying to make the font smaller. Since 3 is too much, it doesn't fit the thing, but normally can. I don't know why. Not sure. I'm going to remove 1 here so that it looks like this: sum of sales, sum of profit. We can make the text smaller. I don't know. Hmm. I'm going to remove 1. I just want to leave it like this first. Let me find out what's going on here. Alright, so basically if you do your assignment, you're going to come out with this kind of dashboard. Of course, you can come with many interesting item. Okay, play around, explore more. The one I did here is only little bit. There's a lot you can explore. So basically here the slicer, if you slice, it will change. Okay, the thing will change. You can see the numbers are, this is what we call interactive. Okay, interactive. And if you press customer here, it will also only comes custom, corporate will come corporate. Okay, everything is interactive, depends on what you want. All right, I think that's all for today. So this is visualization part 2. You can explore more with your data. On 5th of next week, Friday, we will do tests first. After tests, we will go through the assignment. I will tell you what is the assignment. Before that, as I mentioned earlier, prepare your data. Okay, raw data. You can download any website sources. It can be Kaggle or Kaggle or any other website. I have shared with you what type of data I prefer. What type of data, maybe the one I sent to you. You can see that as a business analytic, healthcare, education, finance, e-commerce, social media, transportation, environment. Okay, so bring your data on Friday next week. Let me have a look, and you have to give a title for the data before you proceed doing the dashboard and so on. Yes, all right, I think that's all for today. I'll see you guys